We need to find d2y by dx squared for each of the following. So I need to differentiate both of these functions twice. So let's start with the y equals 3x minus 1 to the power 4. So differentiating this, dy by dx, differentiating this for the first time. Well, note that I've got the 3x minus 1 inside the power of 4. So we're going to differentiate the power part first. So we're going to times by 4. And then take 1 away from the power. And then by the chain rule, I have to multiply that by the derivative of the inside. When I differentiate 3x minus 1, I get 3. Simplifying that now then, the 4 times the 3 is 12. Okay, so I've differentiated it once. I now need to differentiate this again for the second derivative. So again, note that I've got the 3x minus 1 that is inside the power 3 function. So we're going to times by the 3. The 12 times the 3 is 36. And then we're going to take 1 away from the power, so that's going to be a power 2 now. And then by the chain rule, I have to multiply this by the derivative of the inside function. When I differentiate 3x minus 1, I get 3. To simplify this answer, the 36 times 3 is 108. And that's my second derivative. That's my answer to this question. For part B, I'm differentiating y equals 4 ln 1 plus 2x. So we've got 4 lots of. Now, differentiating the ln, I've got 1 plus 2x that's inside the ln function. So the ln function differentiates to be 1 over. And now I have to multiply this by the derivative of the inside function. The derivative of 1 plus 2x is 2. And that's going to simplify just to be 4 times 1 times 2 is 8. So this is my first derivative. Now, in order to differentiate this again for the second derivative, I'm first going to need to rewrite it as 8 times 1 plus 2x to the power of minus 1. And now that's written in a form where I can differentiate it again for the second derivative, where I've got the 1 plus 2x inside the power of minus 1. So I'm going to multiply by the minus 1. So 8 times minus 1 is minus 8. I'll take 1 away from the power. So minus 1 take away 1 is minus 2. And then by the chain rule, I have to multiply that by the derivative of the inside function. The derivative of 1 plus 2x is 2. And now I can simplify that. The minus 8 times 2 is minus 16. Or if you'd prefer, we could move the 1 plus 2x squared to the denominator.